Anthony Brown, opening day of session is January the 11th. That's Wednesday. That's you, Anthony Brown, 200 St. Paul Street. That's a whistleblower's application. Intellectual property, evidence against Scott Shellenberger for kidnapping. This is the Supreme Court. All right. My store on Falls Road, that's my property. Dear Mr. Davis, in reply to submission to the Chief Justice on April of 2007, Article 3 of the Constitution, jurisdiction of the courts extends only to cases brought in front of the court. That means that I get to bring this in front of the court. I was kidnapped and property was stolen. Scott Shellenberger knowingly lied to the grand jury, presented false evidence to the grand jury to get an indictment. We're going to take those grand jury minutes to the Supreme Court, and that's your job. Commissioner Harris has evidence, Erek Barron has evidence, and Ivan Bates has evidence and knowledge, and so does Isabella Cummings. Baltimore City's 401k is tied to the Alabama state prison industry. That's Governor Larry Hogan. He getting this. All right. Whistleblower's application. And we're going to play this in front of the Supreme Court. That's Shellenberger, Cummings, and the toilets. That's Larry Young and Governor O'Malley's mom machine. We're going to play this in front of the courts. We're going to put it in. That's Mark Steiner, WEEA Radio. And everything that Dr. K be talking about. Dr. K for the culture. Anthony McCarthy. Yeah. We're going to play this for the voters and the people because we got the haves versus the have-nots. And we ain't going to have it in 2023. That's me. All right. I've been to City Hall. That's me. So Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Erek Barron, Ivan Bates, Isabella Cummings, Commissioner Harris. I went to Supreme Court in 2023. We going to Supreme Court. Governor Hogan, the Supreme Court. You see that? The Supreme Court. See the date? April 2007. Ain't no Loggins making a movie. I was making a movie about y'all. Ivan Bates was in Justin Fenton's movie, We Run the City. Well, Ivan Bates, you're going to be starring in this one. You're going to be starring in this one. Do your job or lose your job. Because I got the evidence. And we're going to play the tapes, just like Watergate.